This is the nightcap. Final conclusion before I go to bed. What's up, Twitch family? What's up, YouTube family? You dig? I'm gonna toss this right up to YouTube and everything so everybody can watch it, man. You dig what I'm talking about, man? But as y'all can see from the title of the vid, man, you know, we washing dishes, man. Okay? That's what the title of this video is. Hold on, let me break the sticks down. There we go. We washing dishes, man. I'm almost done and finished with washing the dishes. You dig what I'm talking about? Y'all can see I got all the stuff already, you know, already pretty much done already. You dig? So I'm gonna just start organizing stuff, man. Before I go to bed, man. It's 1:30 at night, man. I gotta work in the morning and stuff, man. I gotta be on the 5. This ain't nothing new and nothing regular. It ain't nothing different. You think I'm talking about? I've been doing this for about 20 years, man. You know, especially when I was in my recording process, making my music and everything and stuff. So, yeah, man. You know, it's been a grind. It's been grind. It's been grind season. You dig what I'm talking about, man? For real, for real. And that's what you gotta do, man, to be successful. You know, out here in this game, man. For real, for real, for real. You know, as you know, everything is very competitive in life. You know what I'm saying? I just seen Will Smith, he just put a post up. Well, he put a post up and somebody took the video and they, hold on, let me adjust the camera, man. It's kind of crooked. You know, Will Smith is known for giving a lot of inspirational words and stuff, man. Like Tyrese Gibson, that's where Tyrese Gibson gets from. And he was saying like an actor had came by him, well not an actor or a fan, seen him somewhere outside, you know, that he screamed out to him like, he was like, Will, I wanna be an actor just like you. You know what I'm talking about and all this and that. And Will was like, when he heard that, he was like, wow, you know, he had to think about it and stuff. And so he said most people that say stuff like that really don't want to put the time nor the effort in. And he said it's not so much about your body, it's about your mind. And he is exactly right. And I told my uncle that, you know what I'm saying, like probably a year ago, I was like, man, you gotta get your mind right. Once you get your mind right, I put this on Facebook, and I try to follow up with what the brothers doing, like, you know, Tyrese Gibson, he be dropping inspirational thoughts on there, you know what I'm saying, on Facebook and stuff, and just, yeah, Will Smith too, but Will Smith is on YouTube, you know, and Instagram and stuff like that. So, you know, I was like, man, you know, it's like, you gotta get your mind right, man, for real, that's the whole premise, you gotta get your mind right, make sure y'all get y'all some palm olive, man, bacteria, killed everything, you know what I'm talking about, get you some, you know, get your mind right, and you can do anything, you know, because your mind controls everything. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you want to work out and you want to be bigger, all you got to do is tell your mind that and it's going to do it. You know what I'm talking about? For real, some real shit. You know, and it's like, I've been doing this for years, man, and some days when I be, you know, down and stuff, man, I motivate myself, my mind, you know, I think about it. And I get motivated, you know, especially when I work out in the morning before I go to bed, before I go to work, you know. And when I leave at nighttime, because I do 2 workouts a day, you know, as y'all know, and y'all been watching me and stuff like that. But yeah, it's like shit, you know, it's all about your mind, man. If your mind right, you can do anything, man, for real, for real. You can achieve anything in life. You know what I'm saying? It may be a task. All you gotta do is figure out how to do it. You know what I'm saying? Learn about it, research it, you know, and you can accomplish it, man. For real, for real. I did that. I started my company. I figured out everything. I went through the right sources. I researched it, you know, and then sometimes when you have kids too, kids can motivate your mind. It can stimulate your mind process, your thought process to think quicker because you got to survive now, and not just for yourself, but you got to survive for another person. All right, and if you got a family like what I had, you know, I had my daughter and her mother here. We had a dog and stuff. You know what I'm saying? That was our family. You know, we had a real family and stuff. So it's like I had to be the man, and I had to do manly stuff, and you know, I had to stay on top of my game. We was together for 14 years, and we still cool to this day. You know, even though she moved on and did her thing, and stuff like that. But we still got that nucleus, that family type of bond still. You know what I'm talking about? And it's like, yeah, man, it's all about your mind, man. If you stimulate your mind, you can accomplish anything. And as y'all been seeing, what I've been doing on here on the YouTube, you know what I'm saying? I've been stimulating people. You know what I'm saying? I try to drop inspirational vlogs or whatever I can do to help the situation, like how Tyrese and all them they doing out there when they do their stuff. You dig what I'm talking about? But yeah, I just wanted to drop some juice here, man, when I finish up my little cleaning and shit, man, before I go to bed. I normally don't be up around this late. I be, checking out like at least around 1:30, no later. But I was cooking my chicken for tomorrow. I like to prepare stuff ahead of time, you know what I'm talking about? So when I get in from work, I won't have to do so much, and I just put my lunch and stuff. Y'all seen how I made my lunch and stuff like that. But yeah, it's just all about your mind and what you can do. You know what I'm talking about? It stimulates you to be to achieve things, in life. So keep that in mind, ladies and gentlemen. But it's your boy LC the One, baby. LC the One to be exact. That is AKA Illmatic124. And not the motherfucking gang numbers, man. But my jersey number I wore when I was in high school, and my warm-up jerseys on the back of my motherfucking chair. Like I always say, make you pimping and avoid slipping, because they will get your motherfucking ass. You can slip on the motherfucking banana peel. You know what I'm talking about, man? And like I always say, man, touch some Reverend God. We going before we leave. Shout out to my LC Nation, my LC gang, my LC credit. Y'all like this video, share this video, comment on this video, man. And most importantly of all, man, subscribe to my YouTube channel, man, and turn that notification bell button on to get more exclusive dope content from Pimp Play Against Hustle, all about mine, baby. And like I always say, touch some Reverend God. 1, 5, a 4, a 3, a 2, a 1. Church. Now I'll be back tomorrow with a vlog. The regular vlog with the titles and all that stuff. Yeah, we're gonna be doing videos like this, in and out and stuff like that. You know what I'm talking about? I'm gonna holler at y'all later. Church.